Welcome back to Car Review. Today we are diving into one of the most futuristic hypercars ever created, the Czinger 21C 2026-2027 Concept. A machine that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, but is actually redefining what performance cars can be. Starting with the exterior, this car is absolutely insane to look at. The design is heavily inspired by fighter jets, with an ultra-low stance, aggressive aerodynamics, and a body made largely from carbon fiber combined with advanced 3D printed components. What really makes it unique is how organic the structure looks, especially the suspension and chassis parts, almost like a skeleton designed by artificial intelligence. The aerodynamic setup is extreme, with massive air channels, sharp lines, and depending on the version, a huge rear wing or a long tail design for higher top speed. Everything you see on this car has a purpose, from cooling to downforce, making it not just beautiful but incredibly functional. Now stepping inside, the interior is unlike anything you've seen in traditional supercars. Instead of side-by-side seating, the Czinger C uses a 1+1 tandem layout, meaning the driver sits in the center and the passenger sits directly behind, just like a fighter jet cockpit. This setup not only improves aerodynamics but also gives the driver a perfect centered driving position. The cabin is minimal but high-tech, featuring digital displays, premium materials like Alcantara, and a very driver-focused layout. It's not about luxury in the traditional sense, it's about performance and experience. Getting inside might feel like entering a race car, but once you're in, it feels special and futuristic. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Czinger 21C truly dominates. Under the hood, or rather behind the driver, is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine combined with electric motors, creating a hybrid system that produces around 1,250 horsepower. This insane power allows the car to go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 1.9 seconds, which is faster than most hypercars on the planet. The top speed is over 400 km/h, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. The hybrid system also includes torque vectoring from electric motors, giving it unbelievable grip and control. This car is not just about straight-line speed, it has set multiple track records, proving it's a complete performance machine. Another crazy thing about this car is how it's built. Czinger uses advanced 3D printing technology to manufacture many of the components, making it lighter, stronger, and more efficient than traditional cars. This isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering. Now coming to the price, this is where things get extreme. The Czinger C starts at around $2.3 million and can go up to nearly $2.8 million depending on customization and options. Only about 80 units are being produced, which makes it incredibly rare and exclusive. So overall, the 2026-2027 Czinger C is not just a hypercar, it's a technological masterpiece. From its futuristic design and unique interior layout to its record-breaking performance and insane price tag, this car represents the next generation of automotive innovation. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe,